if you've been watching, I've been showing how to get ready to install these privacy paddle handles from Schlage, and now I'm ready. I've got everything prepped out. I've already taken the old ones out. I've got them stacked over there. I've got all the new ones prepped over here, and I put the latch round rings on. If you didn't see how to do that, watch my other videos on it, and I show you how to take the existing one that comes with this off. Did you know those could come off? Yes, I bet you never knew that. And it comes with this round ring, and you can pop that on. That way, if they're round, you can use the round. If they're rectangular like this, you can do that too. So I like how they're universal. That's kind of sweet. Okay, so now I'm ready to put these latches in. Okay, so as I look at this, I just kind of do one at a time here, and of course the door swinging that way, so it's important to remember which way to do this. I've done this before, no joke, where I put it in and I thought, oh shoot, I just put it in backwards because I wasn't paying attention. It's no biggie, you can always pull it back out. So I line that straight up and down, okay, like that, and I just get it set. That's all I do. Put my foot on here. Then I take an old putty knife and I depress this in. I kind of look at the latch because sometimes that goes sideways, and I just hold it on there and tap on it. Okay. That's it. I used to try to hold that in and then hit it with the hammer, hit it with the hammer, hit it with the hammer, until I came up with, oh, I'll just put my cutting knife on there. Okay, and I look at the side little goodie, because sometimes as you tap that in, right here, see this part right there, that kind of slips out sometimes as you're tapping the side of the door. Then you have to take your screwdriver and kind of fit it in there and think, okay, which way does it go? So I always kind of look at that first. Okay, now that one's all set up. That's all you got to do. Okay, grab these two, and we'll just put these in very quickly on the other doors. Okay, let's get this set up. I'm having, I wish I had a camera person with me, and they could just run the camera around as I'm working and talking and all that business. Okay. Okay, so I line that up. Look at the side. I got that on there, and I'm looking at that. I'm lining that straight up and down. Push it in just a hair. You can. See, that one's hardly going in at all. But I've got it lined up. There. Look at my side latch, it's in fine. I had quite a few of these where every time I tapped it in, that little side deal, I had to adjust it with my screwdriver. And these last few, I haven't had to do that. Okay, and that I like. Okay, so, and see, I don't have to hold it like that. I can put my hand in here and twist it however I want, line it up, push in on it, just a hair. Take my putty knife. Kaboom. And what just happened there? I thought I heard something go out. Oh, it was something old from the old one that had come out. Nothing on the new latch. You want to make sure your latch is on there properly, okay? And it is. All right. Safe and sound. Now, I was contemplating whether or not to even make these videos on this particular one, but if you're liking these, I wish you would send me a comment, let me know how I'm doing, if you're enjoying the videos, if there's anything I could be doing differently, if there's something in particular you want me to show you. If I'm at that position, I will do it. Okay, so now I hang on to these. I don't want to pull these apart and then have this fall out and then think, okay, which way does the handle go? Does it you know, whatever. So I just kind of hold on to it, and I'm going to place one of these at each door. Okay, I've got that one there. I've got these two. Let's see if I can pick these two up. And I just set one over here. Just get that one set right like that. This one over here, like that. Then I get my screws, and then my strike plates. See, I know I need one strike plate and 2 little screws at each door, and I need 2 long screws here. Those are the 2 that hold the whole doorknob together. So I'm just gonna kind of place all that stuff around, get set up. I'll be right back. Now you might be saying, hey Joe, how come you got all those extra screws left? Well, if you remember, if we would have used these face plates, then you've got 2 screws for each one of those, okay? So because I'm not using these, I'm not gonna save those or anything. I'm gonna throw that stuff away. And these screws, I'm gonna go ahead and save them. I'll put them in my nail bag and save them. You never know when you might need a couple extra screws. And then I've got these 3 little things, remember? I'm not gonna do anything with those just yet. I'm gonna keep one at each door for now. Okay, so I'm gonna set those over and we'll get ready to go.